Hello! Welcome to Slow English Practice. Hello! Welcome to Slow English Practice. Today, we will talk about travel to New York. I want to visit New York. New York is a big and famous city. It is in the United States. I feel very excited. I will go by airplane. The flight is long, but I am happy. In New York, I want to see many places. I want to visit the Statue of Liberty. It is very big and very beautiful. I also want to walk in Central Park. It is green and peaceful. I will see tall buildings. The buildings are very high. I want to take photos. I want to eat delicious food. New York has many restaurants. The food is very tasty. People in New York are busy. The city is fast and exciting. I feel very happy to visit New York. It is my dream trip. Thank you for listening. Please practice and repeat. Subscribe for more slow English videos.